My name is Adlyn Natasya binti Azhar Rizal. Um, we are going to go through the system idea and concept. For synopsis and general idea, healthcare industry may find it difficult to manage patient records and data physically. Medical record systems are designed to store data accurately and to capture essential patient records. This system allows receptionists to enter patient details, appointment information, prescription, and bills. After that, system will generate a complete medical record and store it based on patient information. Implementing this system help the healthcare to improve their efficiency in managing patients' data.
So, good evening to Miss Lisa. My name is Rong. Today, I'm going to present the system objective and the purpose. So, for the objective one is to allow medical staff to enter and record the patient's personal information and the medical record in the digital system rather than using the outdated method, but such as the paper. And for objective two, our system is to store the patient's personal information and the medical record in the database to allow the medical staff to find the registered patient information in the system more easily. They can just use the search function. So all the information will be displayed. And objective three is to allow the doctor to review the patient's basic body health before seeing the patient and can have a better judgment in making a diagnosis. For objective four is to allow the medical staff to track the medicine prescription for the patient, such as the name of the medicine and how many dosage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Haiqal Razeeq. So I am going to explain how to use the system. Okay, for the first thing first, when you start run the system, it will appear the output like in the slide on the left, medical management system, and it will appear 6 different menu. Okay, so for the first time user to register patient, user need to enter one for enter patient info. So user just need to provide its name, phone, IC, age, and gender. Okay, next, user need to key in number 2, but in this case, user need to enter patient IC because that's the only way how to identify which patient that we will have an appointment. Okay, after fill the patient IC, user just need to enter the date, time, doctor ID, blood pressure, heart rate, and its diagnosis. Okay, after that, user need to enter number 3. Okay, user just need to enter patient IC, same goes like number 2, and then it will appear like it will appear prescription info. Okay, in the system, user just need to enter how many medicine, and it will appear the detail of the medicine like the name of medicine and its dosage. Okay, last, user need to enter number 4. Same goes like menu number 2 and number 3 for billing info patient. Then user just need to fill the amount of the patient, and then user just need to enter Y or N whether the patient have insurance or not. If if the patient have an insurance, user just need to enter company name such as AXA, and then user just need to enter insurance ID. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alya Izzati binti Muhammad Azili. Firstly, I'm going to explain about our report or output. So, in our medical management system, you need to choose number 5, which is search patient. Okay, in search patient, they will display all the data or information that had been key in by the user based on the IC. Okay, so in the slide, there is a patient IC and all the info. So we have patient info, appointment details, prescription details, and final bill. Okay, and it's the information displayed is depends on what choice has the user choose. Okay. the part that not been filled in by the user will be left empty or will be put 0.
Okay, so for the project specification, the first part is array of object. We are using static array that used to store records such as patients, prescription, and bills. For this example, we are using constant int max patient. We set it into 100. So patients, the array is equal to inside the bracket is max patient.
And now I'll explain B, encapsulation and data hiding. Class data is kept private and accessed through public methods. Every class will keep its attribute private, such as name and IC, and other functions outside the class will access the private data through the method such as setName and getName.
Next, I'm going to present about one of our project specification, which is association. In association, we have aggregation and also composition. Okay, for aggregation, in our project, we have patient that has a guardian, which link by pointer. A patient may have a guardian, but that guardian exists independently of the patient. Second, composition. In our project, we have appointment that has diagnosis, prescription that has list of medicines, and bill has insurance. For the explanation, I will take diagnosis as the example. A diagnosis only exists within an appointment. When the appointment is deleted, the diagnosis is also deleted.
For part D, inheritance and polymorphism. Inheritance, we are using class person as base class, and then the guardian and patient inherit from the person. So guardian and patients is the subclass extended from the person. So here we can see guardian is a person and a patient also is a person. For polymorphism, we are use visual to use dynamic binding. So in the code, we will using the visual void display info constant at the class person.
And the last one is the exception handling. We will use the include std except header. So in the prescription part, the system will check if the number of medicine, the range is between 1 and 10. So if the number is not within this range, the system will throws an exception, and the program will catch us the exception and shows the message invalid number of medicines. And that's all. Thank you for your attention.